Morning student, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to turn on class 3rd subject maths exercise 6. First of all, today we will get studied to get about the comparing number, ordering number. So first today we will read student. Let's see about the comparing number. What is a comparing number? Numbers with different number of digits. If the two numbers being compared have different number of digits, then the number with more digits is the greater one. For example, 4, 5, 1, 2 and 3, 5, 9. If the two numbers being compared have different number of digits, in this case 4, 5, 1, 2 has 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, and 3, 5, 9 has 3 digits. So 4, 5, 1, 2 is greater than 3, 5, 9 because it has 4 digits and it has 3 digits. Clear? Now next rule. Next rule is number with the same number of digits. If two numbers have the same number of digits, we compare the extreme left digit. The number with the greater extreme left digit is greater. Example. Second rule. 7, 1, 4 and 3, 9, 8. If the extreme left digit of two numbers are same. देखिए यहाँ पर जो digit है it means two number have the same number of digit 1, 2, 3 and it is also 1, 2, 3. We compare extreme left digit. This is here is 7 and this is 3. The number with the greater extreme left digit is greater. 7 and this is 3. 7 is greater than 3. It means 714 is greater than 398. Clear? Now next example, if 2, 4, 5, 6 and 2, 1, 3, 8. If the extreme left digit of one number is same, here is 2 and it is also 2, we compare next digit towards their right, it means 4 and this is 1. 4 is greater than 1. It means 2, 4, 5, 6 is greater than 2, 1, 3, 8. Clear? Now the ordering number. What is ordering number? Numbers can be arranged from the smallest to greatest or from greatest to the smallest. This is known as ordering number. Now second is ordering number. Number can be arranged from smallest to greatest and greatest to smallest. When divided two parts, ascending order and descending order. What is ascending order? When we arrange numbers from the smallest to the greatest, they are said to be arranged in ascending order. And what is descending order? When we arrange numbers from greatest to the smallest, they are said to be arranged in descending order. For example, 6, 7, 0, 8, 4, 5, 6, 2, 7, 2, 3, 1. Okay. Now write in ascending order. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखेंगे इसे आप, तो देखिए क्या हो जाएगा। असेंडिंग ऑर्डर के लिए आप क्या करते हैं, स्मॉलेस्ट टू ग्रेटेस्ट। दिस इज स्मॉलेस्ट, देखिए कैसे चेक करेंगे। हियर इज 6, 4, 7। 4 इज स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, इट मीन्स 4, 5, 6, 2 एंड 6 is less than 7, it means 6, 7, 0, 8 and 7, 2, 3, 1. This is right in ascending order and descending order में 7, 2, 3, 1, 6, 7, 0, 8 and 4, 5, 6, 2. ये है आपका descending order और ये आपका ascending order, ठीक है। Clear? So students, let's see the first question of your book in exercise 6. Find the greatest and smallest number. Find the greatest and smallest number. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका 382 4972 1895 5785 and 750. Greatest number and smallest number. What is greatest number? First rule, count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. It means this and this comparing. For smallest number, this is 7 and this is 3. 3 is less than 7, it means smallest number 3, 8, 2. And now the comparing is 3 numbers 5, 1 and 4. 5 is greater than all numbers, then this is the greatest number. 5, 7, 8, 5. Here now next part, is 1, 4, 7, 3, 8, 4, 2, 3, 1, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0 and 3, 1, 0. Greatest number, what is greatest number? smallest number. For smallest number, comparing two numbers, because it has 3 digits, it has 3 digits. Okay. So this is 1 and this is 3. 1 is less than 3, it means this is a smallest number. And now comparing this number 5, 8, 1. 8 is greater than all numbers. It means 8, 4, 2, 3 is greatest number. Now question number second. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड में राइट लेस देन, ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू फॉर ईच पेयर ऑफ नंबर. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका 6, 7, 1, 3. 6, 7, 3, 1. 1, 0, 4, 0. 1400. 4, 9, 1, 0. And 5, 9, 9. 5, 5, 1, 2. 5, 5, 1, 2. 7, 8, 7, 8. 8, 7, 8, 7. So let us see which is greater. Here is 6, here is 6. Now second is it 7, it is also 7. This is 1, this is 3. 3 is greater than 1, it means sign होगा. Okay. Now 1 and this is 1, this is 0 and this is 4. 4 is greater than 0. Now it has 3 digits and it has 4 digits. This is greater than this number. And 5, 5, 1, 2. 5, 5, 1, 2. It is equal. Then it is 7 and it is 8. 8 is greater than 7. Clear? Now the next question. Question number third. Question number third. Circle the greater number in each pair. Circle the greater number in each pair. Here आपको दिया है क्वेश्चन 2, 9, 2, 9 and 3, 9, 9. Which is greater? It has 3 digits and it has 4 digits. It means this is greater. आपको सर्कल कर देना है. Now second question. 4 5 2 5 and 4 5 5 5. This is 4 and this is 4. Here is 5. Here is also 5 and this is 2. This is 5. 5 is greater than 2. It means this number is greater. Now C part. 7 7 7 0 and 7 7 0 7. This is 7 and this is 7. This is 7. It is also 7 and here is 7 but here is 0. So 7 is greater than 0. It means this number is greater. Clear? Now question number 4. Circle the smaller number in each pair. Circle the smaller number in each pair. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है आपका 5 7 8 9 and 5 8 9 7. Which is smallest? Then here is 5 and it is also 5 and this is 7 and this is 8. 8 is greater than 7. It means this is a smaller number. Clear? Now B part. 7 0 0 8 7 0 1 8. कंपेयरिंग करिए 7 7 0 0. Here is 1 and here is 0. 1 is greater than 0. It means 0 is smaller. This is a smaller number. Now C part. 3060 and 3076. 3030 are same and 6 is less than 7. It means 3060 is the smaller number. Clear? Question number 5 and 6 is your homework because you are also know ascending and descending order. Now question number 7. Solve the following problem. First question है साहिल has 1398 cows on his farm. साहिल के पास 1398 cow है and Kabir has 1000 938 cow. Who has more cow on his farm? It means, देखिए साहिल के पास जो काऊ है वो आपकी कितनी है? Sahil has cow 1, 3, 9, 8 and Kabir has cow 1, 9, 3, 8. 1, 3, 9, 8, 1, 9, 3, 8. Which is greater? 1, 3, 9, 8 and 1, 9, 3, 8. 1 is same and 3 and 9. 9 is greater than 3. It means Kabir has more cow. ठीक है, आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? कबीर के पास ज्यादा गाय. Kabir has on his farm. Okay. So student, all of which part left this question you have to do it in homework. Question number 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now tomorrow we'll meet again with a new exercise, exercise 7. Thank you. Have a nice day.